Hey everybody, Mike here, Mike's Computer Tips. Today I have a new video, how to properly shut down your computer. Stay tuned, I'll be right back. In order for you to shut it down properly, you have to right click on the start button, left click on where it says shut down or sign out, and then click shut down, and your computer will shut off. Thanks for watching my new video. If you have any questions, leave in the comments. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment on the video. And I will see you in the next video.